I'd like to tell you about air layering now. That's the process of turning a branch into a tree. For cuttings, we remove the small branch from the plant, but with this method we can grow the new roots right here, while it's still getting water from the tree. Because of that, we're not limited to young twigs, we can even use decades-old branches. There are, however, diminishing returns, as it takes longer the older and thicker the wood is. This can be done with any wooden plant. Peppers, tomatoes and the like are not suited and will have to be propagated using cuttings or seedlings. The materials you'll need for this are safety glasses, a knife to cut the bark, disinfectant to clean your tools, some cocoa for the roots to grow into, tin foil to hold the cocoa, a saw to chop the branch off once it's established, and a little pot to plant the tree into. The way this works is quite interesting. In short, we just cut away a ring of bark around the branch, keep that wet, and roots will grow. And here's why it works. The roots take up water and minerals which are then transported up the plant in the center of the branches, through what's called the xylem. Photosynthesis happens in the leaves, oxygen is expelled and the sugars are then transported down the plant to supply the roots with energy. That glucose travels downwards in the cambium layer on the outsides, right beneath the bark. If we remove a ring of bark and the cambium below it, the energy can't travel down anymore. Add some moisture, give it time, and roots start growing above the cut. The newly forming roots are fed by the leaves, while they are still supplied with water and minerals by the original root system of the tree it's attached to. You can use moss since it contains hormones that aid the rooting process, or just use plain old cocoa fibers. Both work well. Then we just have to wait for the roots to start developing, which varies depending on species and size, and we can saw off the branch below the air layer and plant it as a new tree. If you'd like to learn more about other methods of propagation, I have the playlist linked down below. Have fun with your plants. Bye.